Right, all right, here we go again. The Joe, Jack of all trades. We are at beautiful DeSoto Falls Park. Little family outing. Get out of this house during this corona. Yeah, got the folks. We'll go down here and see what this waterfall look like. Oh man, they walking in the water. Y'all don't walk in the water?
Yes, sir. You can't cross the railroad.
Hey, we go over that way.
It's slippery. Come on, Brad.
Get on the rocks. Whoa, be careful. Go there and touch it. Yeah. It is slippery. Touch it. All right. Now come on.
I don't jumping this. Wants to jump now.
No, I don't think you want to do that. All right, so right here we have some mosaic art going up the stairs. Here at DeSoto. Been done by some contributors over time. Body and soul. Strength. Nature may heal, play in places to play in. Wellness and beauty.
Welcome to the Old West, right?
All right, here we go. Second stop. Well, actually the third stop. The second stop was dried up, so we couldn't. Dragonfly Jones, I think it's down these steps, right? Is that what he said? I hear water falling. Maybe it is a waterfall.
That's a big waterfall. See that? See down to the water, but I see a bridge up there.
Yeah.
So beautiful. We gotta go down here though. This is almost the same exact thing that space is. It's a seating place. It's a dead end, but it's a seating place. Wait, how'd they get over there? My whole life.
You don't see 4 dragonflies in your own lifetime.
But they barely come around the house. It didn't no mother better.
All right.
There's some water down there.
Last stop on the waterfall trail, we are Pisgah Gorge Falls.
It's very steep, like.
Going down the
I'm recording.
trail. Muscadine is falling off of the vine prematurely. Oh yeah. The hill ain't no joke. I don't know about that. Hey, y'all stay back. Oh. off,
big
man.
drop off.
Man, you see what you came to see? I don't know. Is this the falls?
I think the trail goes on, but I heard the water running, so I went ahead and stopped and got the view in. So I'm gonna keep going and see what else there is.
Oh, right there.
Yeah.
I bet that's it, dude.
Yep, I told
It
you.
might be a better view.
Right.
Way or something.
Right.
Oh, there was another
Way
trail.
over there.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go down the
Oh, cool.
other trail.
Slow your roll, baby.
Let's go down the other trail.
Hey, hold on. Hey.
It has a big echo. Echo! Echo! Echo!
Calm down. Back up. Close enough. Hey.
Daddy, I want to go down that. Right here. Yay!
Right here.
No, not this one. Right here.
What we gonna do here first? Come on. We can get a little bit closer.
Okay. We're gonna get a better view.
Ooh, that's a high step. Ooh, almost went down. Stay with me. Hey, stay with me. Oh, you at least don't go no further where I can't see you. Go ahead. No further where I can't see you. Yeah, I got a spider web in my head. Hey, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Okay, this part's gonna let you go. I got a fence down here to keep you from going, falling down in there. No, you keep going. Go. Oh, we're right over the top of it. I can hear Grandpa. With him? Hey, ho. Let me see. Stop. Let me see first. Oh, you right over here by it. It's right there, going down. All right. Come on, you gotta step here. And here. Oh, you so step. Do it, where you at? Come on. Oh, that's it.
Woo.
We're at the top of it.
Over here.
Yep,
Well,
yeah,
there's
step here.
still a trail down there.
And here.
There's still a trail.
Slow down, slow down. Up, here. And here. And here. And here. Come on.
Wait, can we go down this way?
No. Right here. Right here. Right here. Yep.
There's more on that way.
This is it. This is the top of it. I want y'all to stay with me. Stay with me.
Can we put our feet in it?
Don't you hold that. You might get your shoes wet a little bit. We'll step across it. Come on, dude. Right this way. This way. Yeah, right over there in that dry spot. Just stay right there. Go on. Step in that dry spot and stay there. All right, baby, come on. Hey, June. Hey, June. Hey, June. Hold this. Good enough.
Hey! Look, I see them. I see Granny and Papa. I see Granny and Papa.
To the dry spot. Come on. Quick, quick. All right, good, good. Stay with me. Stay with me. Come here. Where they at? Shh, 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 shh. Where they at? They should see. Up where? Hey!
Hey!
I can't see her. I got him now.
I wanted to walk across the thing.
No.
I can't.
Okay. So, come on, right here. We can get us a selfie. I don't know, but that's enough. Come on.
It's just right there to the water.
Yep. God has created a lot of things for us to enjoy, a lot you can see in nature. But as y'all can see, it can be very dangerous. Yes, sir. Then we can do. All right, come on. Come on. Y'all can't give out of gas yet. What'd you say? All right, folks, so we made it. We made it. Got a couple stragglers back here. They coming on along too. We went to 5 waterfalls here in the region, and 3 out of the 5 had water. God is in control, you know. He gives us the conditions, and we have to roll with it. God bless you. See you next time.